Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Subaru Crosstrek Hybrid. First time driving the Crosstrek Hybrid, and it's actually pretty cool. Definitely a very quirky vehicle. This one is, of course, the plug-in hybrid. Total price of $39,050. This one has option package 2. Finished here in cool khaki gray over navy. Faux carbon fiber trim, blue stitching throughout. Definitely a very, very cool looking vehicle, and it does drive really, really well. 2.0 Boxer with the CVT. Very cool. You have a couple different drive modes. You have I for intelligent and S. We'll go ahead and put it into S mode. Very, very nice. So this goes ahead and saves your battery. So it's going to use the engine to charge it and all that fun stuff. Very, very nice vehicle. I love it. Oh, that's a beefy visor too. Does it slide? No. Dang it. Without further ado, reverse. There's the backup camera. Normal drive, and you have B for braking. So that will give you a ton of regenerative braking. I love all the sounds a hybrid makes. It's so cool. You get little whining noises and stuff like that. It is just absolutely awesome. Over some pretty nasty speed bumps. I love all the noises this thing makes. This is awesome. Actually, I'll put it into save mode. Let's see what that does. I think that's just going to constantly charge that battery. The CVT is actually really well tuned for this application. I expected it to be kind of laggy, drony, but no, it is absolutely perfect. Gives a good amount of power. And it's just overall a very, very nice vehicle to drive. Give it one last acceleration. There we go. Now we have downhill descent control. Once you put it into X mode, that's pretty cool. I like that. The fact that you can use this as an off-road vehicle, that's pretty cool. Only works under probably, I think, like 15 miles an hour is the limitation, but other than that, it's really, really nice. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.